I'm a school social worker at Franklin Elementary School in Vincennes, Indiana.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I teach in Sacramento, California.
I'm Taylor from an elementary school in Oregon.
Hi, I'm Margot, and I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
With my students, the biggest change that I've noticed is that they're able to articulate their emotions more specifically and more accurately.
And we've seen a lot of growth in our students.
I noticed so much growth in how they're able to identify their own feelings and also talk about feelings more openly.
And they're able to kind of reflect on themselves and how they're feeling in that moment.
We've seen that they have found more success with this curriculum than any others with identifying emotions.
Seeing my students really get excited about the program, they enjoy working in it, and when I let them know that that's what our session's going to involve that day, they really are happy and excited about it.